Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. MiningRigRentals.com offers a unique platform for both miners and individuals interested in trying out cryptocurrency mining. It's a marketplace where you can rent hashing power from various mining rigs worldwide. This eliminates the need to invest in expensive hardware, deal with complicated setup, or manage the ongoing maintenance associated with mining. Instead, you can select the algorithm you wish to mine, choose a rig that meets your needs and budget, and begin mining practically instantly. The website provides a wide selection of mining rigs offering different hash rates and algorithms, allowing you to mine a variety of cryptocurrencies. You can filter the available rigs based on factors such as price, hash rate, location, and the specific algorithm you're targeting. This granular control allows you to optimize your mining strategy based on your individual goals and risk tolerance. One of the significant advantages of MiningRigRentals.com is its flexibility. You're not locked into long-term contracts, and rental periods can be adjusted to suit your preferences. This short-term rental option makes it an excellent platform for experimenting with different mining algorithms or testing the profitability of various coins before committing to a significant hardware investment. Furthermore, MiningRigRentals.com simplifies the often complex process of mining. The platform handles the technical aspects, such as rig configuration and pool management, allowing users to focus solely on selecting their desired coin and monitoring their mining performance. The platform also provides comprehensive statistics and reporting tools to track your progress and earnings. While MiningRigRentals.com provides a convenient entry point into the world of mining, it's essential to conduct your own research and due diligence. Evaluate the profitability of mining your chosen cryptocurrency considering factors like electricity costs and current market conditions. Remember, the profitability of mining can fluctuate significantly, and it's crucial to understand the associated risks before renting any hashing power. Consider factors such as the rig's location, reputation of the provider, and the terms of service before making a decision. By carefully assessing these variables and utilizing the platform's features, MiningRigRentals.com can be a valuable resource for both novice and experienced cryptocurrency miners alike.